Hurricane Helene carved a path of destruction through western North Carolina that few could have imagined. Known for its vibrant art scene and natural beauty, Asheville was hit hard. For general contractor James Dose, this wasn't just another storm on the radar. This was about his home.
I could not remember how I got there.
Well, as a contractor, I have been watching the weather reports.
You know, we get a little bit bigger of a window here, so she's got a view of the river.
Right, nice.
And I saw that, you know, Tuesday was 4 to 6 inches, Wednesday was 6 to 8 inches, Thursday was 6 to 8 inches, and then a hurricane was going to hit.
What happened next was beyond anyone's worst fears. The French Broad River, normally a serene ribbon through the valley, became a raging torrent.
I saw you watching.
In the midst of the devastation and rebuilding, James found himself turning to something he'd been doing since he was 7 years old: music.
I started working on the song Cavalry before the hurricane hit. It was probably due to sort of the leftover emotions from COVID and being sort of isolated during that time. And as it all unfolded, Hurricane Helene gave me a lot to work with on that subject.
Among the hundreds of damaged homes was one belonging to Paula. Paula's house sat perilously close to the river's edge. We followed the rebuilding of her home this season on This Old House.
It gives us a little bit more of shear strength and help the building stand up against the pressure of the river.
Well, obviously I spent a lot of time on the location for Paula's house. Living and working in an environment like that can be very difficult. I think that in the long run, I needed something to sing to myself to keep me balanced, keep me focused, and continuing on working on cleaning up Western North Carolina.
So I drifted in the rapids, searching for a little clarity as I waited in the wetness.
The song resonated deeply with a community in pain. And Paula's house? It's rising again.
The music video came from my experience working on Paula Hennon's house and being very close to the river, next to the crumpled cars. The house was knocked off their foundation, and that sort of inspired me to make a video to continue to tell the story of those people. Some of my friends tend to get a little heavily emotional, you know, sort of crying and stuff like that. But I think overall it's a healing song that people are definitely recognizing and using in a positive way. So people that have witnessed Hurricane Helene use the song to brighten their day a little bit, help them maybe with the cleanup process, and that's both physical and emotional.
Western North Carolina continues to rebuild, and in the hands of people like James Dose, contractor, musician, neighbor, there is both the hard work of reconstruction and the healing power of song. Watch new episodes of This Old House, A Carolina Comeback this fall on your local PBS station and stream on the Roku channel.